Keep the fire burning, and don't buy any small chickens for your chicken coop yet. It's too cold for them. Signing off from Spokane Valley is Wise-Dowd.